Hey guys, what's up? It's Indie Elevators. This is videos for one of my subscribers on YouTube. So I took a picture of that ceiling speaker at Kohl's. Actually I took a video of it, but these are my ceiling speakers that I have in my house. There's the insulation. This guy and this guy. I do not own this song. I don't want to get a copyright claim from YouTube. But these are Quam speakers. And I got these from Macy's in Indianapolis at the Glendale Mall in Indianapolis. So thank you to the property owner for giving me these. Very nice quality. This driver is actually original. Come to find out, the other one I had to replace. But I'll show you that original driver here in a few. The screws I have replaced because the screws that came with it were really old and they weren't good quality. So I got machine screws right here, and they fit perfectly. Same thing with this one. I got some machine, these are the original screws actually. I'm gonna add 2 machine screws on this one. But they sound good. I'll show you the speaker out of the one with the black backing can. So this is what the speaker looked like. That came out of that one. There's the model number. I don't know when these were installed. May Company Telecom. Come to find out, it didn't work. I was going to replace the transformer, but I didn't want to replace the transformer because it could have been a bad speaker. This is the front of it. Very quality built. There is a crack in there, like in the middle. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. But there is a crack right there. Built good though, overall. Back is really dusty. These did not have backing cans from the amount of years they came in, so maybe this one got water damaged or something. But if anyone could tell me what year this is, that would be great. It was made in Chicago. Excuse me, those are my dogs. But overall, that one being original still has good sound quality. Those are my dogs. They're whining. Sorry. So yeah. And there's the wire. It looks like it was spliced at one point. Alright, I hope you enjoy, and let's take one last look. And I have others I would like to show you too, but not today. Alright, thank you.